Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make the loudest sound ever. All you need is papers and scissors. I already did this one time. It worked actually really well. So I'm actually going to do this right now. All you have to do is step one. So cut a rectangular shape. Big or small, doesn't matter. Then you want to fold it like this. Diagonal across, I don't know. Sorry, my friend's here. And then you want to just cut in like 2 little triangles. Okay. Now all you have to do is just fold these. Fold's a funny word.
Fold these, you don't even know what you're talking about.
Fold the sides.
There we go.
Then hold it like this, and then flip. God, that was so loud. Wait, watch this thing. Wait. Oh my God. Yeah, my friend's here. I'm not gonna do it.
I don't care. Bye.
Yeah. So then
You can annoy your friends with it too.
or your dog. I really would not want to. It didn't work. It's not working. Yeah. Please subscribe. Hope this was an easy video tutorial for you guys. So yeah.